Hello everyone, today we'll be looking on Productive.io tutorial for beginners. Manage projects, budgets, and teams efficiently in 2025. What if your agency can manage projects, track time, plan resources, and monitor profitability, all from one sleek platform built specifically for service businesses? With Productive.io, that what if becomes your new reality. Productive.io is a comprehensive professional services automation or PSA platform designed to streamline operations for agencies, consultancies, and other service-based businesses. It integrates project management, resource planning, and financial tracking into a single platform, offering real insights to enhance productivity and profitability. Let us scroll down and know more about their website first. They have companies trust Productive to run their operations. It means that many companies rely on Productive.io to manage their aspects of their day-to-day business, like handling projects, finances, time tracking, and resource planning. They are essentially saying, we are the go-to platform for businesses that want to run smoother, smarter operations. They have integrated tools also like HubSpot, Slack, QuickBooks, Bamboo HR, Xero, Sage, and many more. They also showcase their key benefits for the roles that companies have. For example, key benefits for operations manager, team capacity overviews, profitability in real time, keeping clients in the loop, easy resource planning, and vacation management. For CEO to know the big picture of sales, hiring, resource management, projects, finance and billing, key company metrics available in real time. Company KPIs are accessible in a few clicks. For financial manager, revenue recognition, revenue and profit forecasting, global overview of billing, invoice revenue by month, accounting tool integrations, Xero, QuickBooks, Exact, and so on. Let us scroll back again at the top, and in the top portion of their page, they have product, pricing, industries, and resources. Product, this is the part where Productive.io flexes a little. It is like, hey, want to see all the cool stuff I can do? Here, you'll find the platform's features laid out. Project management, time tracking, resource planning, budgeting, and more. Basically, it is the Swiss Army knife for running an agency, minus the risk of stabbing yourself with the tiny scissors. Pricing? Yes, the $1 million, but hopefully not actually a million question. How much is this gonna cost me? This section breaks down what you will pay, depending on your needs and how fancy you want to get. Whether you are a startup counting every dollar or a big agency ready to throw cash at efficiency, there's a plan here for you. They have plans here. Essential for $9 per month, professional for $24 per month, ultimate for $32 per month. Industries. Think of this as Productive.io's version of Hey, we get you. Whether you are running a creative agency, IT consultancy, or something in between. This section shows how the platform adapts to different business types. It is like putting on a tailored suit, same solid platform, custom fit for your gig. Resources? This is the library meets toolkit area. You'll find blogs, guides, webinars, and maybe a few aha moments. It is for when you are trying to sound like you know what you are going in meetings, or, actually want to know what you are doing. It is help without the awkward tech support call. Now let us go to the fun part, exploring the dashboard of this website. Alright, let's rewind a bit and hit that magical button. Start a free trial. Step 1. Type in your superficial work email. Yes, the one that sounds important. Step 2. Sign in like the productivity boss you are. Step 3. Double check your info. Because typos are sneaky and we don't want your agency to be listed as Funky Toes Incorporation unless that is your actual vibe. Just follow the steps, click what needs clicking, and boom, you'll land on the glorious Productive.io dashboard. In the top, they have home, project management, time, financials, resourcing, CRM, and reports. In home, this is your mission control, your cockpit, your what's going on today view. The home section gives you a quick snapshot of your entire operation. Tasks, deadlines, meetings, what needs attention, and what's on fire. Open Task shows all the tasks that are still pending. giving you a clear view of what your team needs to tackle next. Invoice by month displays how much revenue has been billed each month, allowing you to track income trends over time. Invoice revenue by clients breaks down your earnings by client so you can easily see who your top revenue sources are. Future utilization gives you a look ahead at how busy your team is expected to be, helping you manage workloads and plan resources effectively. Lastly, Open Budgets presents the current budgets for active projects, helping you monitor spending and stay within financial limits. Now let's dive into project management and add a task. First, hit the Add a Task button. Easy, right? From there, pick the task type. I'm going with time and materials for this example. Next, let's fill in the details. Give your task a title. Tweak the options like the status, folder, assignee, and set the due date and time. Once everything's looking good, just hit Create Task and lo and behold, you've got a new task in your project workflow ready to go. Now in time, the time section in productive.io is your go-to spot for tracking how much time your team spends on different tasks and projects. It helps you stay on top of billable hours, ensuring you can invoice clients accurately. You can easily log hours worked, view time entries, and track who's working on what. It is not just about tracking time, though. It gives you insights into team utilization, letting you see if everyone's workload is balanced or if someone's overbooked. This feature is key to making sure you are running efficiently and billing clients properly without the hassle of manually tracking everything. The financial section in Productive IO helps keep your business money matters in check. It gives you a comprehensive view of your budgeting, invoicing, and profitability all in one place. The resourcing section helps you manage your team's workload and availability. It is where you can see who's free, who's busy, and what projects need attention. This section lets you allocate the right resources to the right task, ensuring no one's overworked and everything gets done on time. It is like having a personal assistant that helps you schedule and balance your team's workload so everyone stays productive without burning out. The CRM section helps you track clients, leads, and relationships all in one place. You can see where each deal stands, manage follow-ups, and keep interactions organized, making it easier to nurture leads and maintain long-term client connections. The reports section turns data into clear charts and graphs, showing you how your business is performing, whether it is time tracking, project profitability, or team utilization. It helps you make smart decisions and spot areas for improvement. And that is all there is on Productive.io tutorial for beginners. Manage projects, budgets, and teams efficiently 2025. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. We hope to see you in our next video. Goodbye for now.